Okay, hopefully we're back into action. Hello y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cle'era and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a clean girl or a clean minimal makeup look for dark skin or brown skin. So if you are one of my brown ladies or not, and if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so before I start off with my look, I do like to make sure I go in and have a clean canvas and a fresh face. I do go ahead and start with my CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for oily skin. I will then treat with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and I also will go in with my Organic Rosehip Oil to use as a serum, and then I will go ahead and moisturize my face with my Aveeno Sheer Daily Moisturizing Sunscreen. I love this stuff. I love this sunscreen, especially for dark skin, because it doesn't leave that white cast. My skin also feels very soft and hydrated, and it's protected. So I definitely recommend this moisturizing sunscreen if you are of darker skin tone and you cannot find something that doesn't have a white cast. Okay guys, so now that we're getting into the video, I decided that I wanted to try this new technique and take some red lipstick and put it on like my dark spots and under my eyes, just to cancel out that darkness, because I bought a new concealer that's pretty light and I want to make sure my imperfections are covered. So you can see I just dabbed this red lipstick all over my dark areas to cancel that out. So now I'm going in with my drugstore concealer. This concealer actually turned out to be really nice and gave me perfect coverage. Thank goodness to the red, because this was a very perfect tone, but I don't think it's, good enough coverage to cover up like those dark areas. So yeah, I'm just blending this out. Didn't use a whole lot, but it's up to you if you want to apply more in certain areas. And I'm just tapping this all over to melt everything in and blend everything in to get a poreless look. And this is the result. Very clean, very flawless. I'm then going in with my Aspen setting powder, and I'm only tapping a little bit. As you can see, I'm not doing any baking. I'm literally melting this setting powder into my skin. This is like what I do in general, even if I am doing a full face, because baking, I feel like, gives me this weird texture on my skin that I do not like. So then I'm going in with my Anastasia brow gel and just brushing my brows. My brows are microbladed, so I don't have to worry about doing them. And then I go in with my Naked palette, and as you can see, I use those three colors and just mix them together and apply on my eyelids. My eyes already have like this natural like tint to it, so I just pretty much enhance it with those three colors. And as you can see, I'm contouring my cheekbones and my nose area, just very lightly, not doing too much. Just really enhancing my features that are already there. Next, I'm going with my Bobbi Brown blush in Cranberry. I don't think they sell this anymore. Not sure. Haven't seen it anywhere else. And then I'm just going in with my brown mascara. I wanted to use a brown mascara because I wanted to make sure I was still doing a very like light, natural look. I feel like the black would have been way too harsh, so I recommend brown for this look. And my Tarte eyeshadow, I'm using this very golden color for my tear duct, just to give it a nice, luminous, glowy look. And then next I'm going with my highlighter, also a drugstore product, and just putting very little amount on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and the high points of my cheekbones. You guys, everything that I am using on my face, I'm applying it very lightly, as you can see. So I'm not doing too much. And then lastly, I'm going in with some lip gloss and some earrings to make the look all come together. And this was it. This honestly really just takes me like 5 to 10 minutes. It's a very quick look. I highly recommend. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Love you all. Bye. Thanks for watching.